Hey, welcome back. So today I wanted to try something a little bit different. I've heard of this operating system before called Haiku OS, and I've never really done anything with it. It's not Windows, obviously, and it's not quite Linux either. Haiku is actually based on an older operating system called BOS, BEOS. So anyway, I've never played with it. I've never done anything in Haiku, so I decided that I would fire up a virtual machine and just spin up an installation, see what happens. So I just fired it up. It's just finished installation. Let me restart it here so that we can see what the loading screen looks like. So shut down. Okay, so it should be starting up now. And there it is. It just shows that it's initializing all of the hardware, the file system. And there we go. And we're in. So one really cool thing with Haiku is that it's very happy on very lightweight systems. So Haiku will run perfectly fine, I think, on a system with 256 megabytes of memory and a 1.5 gigabyte hard drive, which is crazy because in today's terms, like, you can't even run a phone on that. I bet you your flip phone probably has more than that. So it works really well on smaller systems. It shares a lot of the similar I guess, features that you'd find in most operating systems. You've got like a bar at the top where you can click and drag things around. It's got a file system, home system, trash. Let's see. Nothing in trash. Let's see what these buttons do. Oh. Okay, so this one looks like the button on the right-hand side is for making windows bigger and smaller. So, okay, and the one on the left here is for closing. Okay. B-Book. Is that like Facebook or? Oh, okay. So this looks like it might be like a maybe like a reference guide for like how to operate in BOS. The application kit. Introduction. The application kit is the starting point for all applications. Its class establish an application as an identifiable entity. Okay. Messaging provides a messaging service that lets threads talk to each other. This service can deliver messages within your own application or from one application to another. Okay, so yeah, this seems to be just a very like your guide to BOS. Let's see. How about the quick tour? Okay, there is a lot going on in this quick tour. While Haiku shares many ideas with other operating systems, it does have a unique approach in some areas that are worth pointing out. In just a few slides, you'll learn about the most important Haiku features and peculiarities that'll help you get a running start. For each topic, you can find a box with links for further reading that point to additional resources. Okay, let's flip through some of these. How about, what is the Twitcher? Holding Control and Tab summons the Twitcher, where you switch between running applications. Tapping the Tab key only quickly while holding Control switches to the last used application. Okay, cool. Let's go back. Shortcut key. How do we get back to like the main tour, the guide? Okay. Ooh, double click on the yellow bar to hide or minimize, close. It's to zoom or maximize. Alright, let's close that. Quick tour was fun. There is a user guide. The Haiku user guide. Okay, so it's interesting that they've got the quick tour, they've got B-book, they've got the user guide, because all of these things kind of seem to be about the same. Let's see. Okay, so kind of like other operating systems, you can click and drag and move around your icons. It looks like it doesn't like do any kind of like a snap to grid, so like things can even overlap each other. Let's see, I think that this is like our start menu up here. This, you call it a leaf or a feather icon. About Haiku. Okay, so when I spun up my virtual machine, I gave it a gig of memory that it could play with. It looks like of that, it's only utilizing 310 megabytes. So I think I gave it way more than it really needed, but as you can see here, right now it's running on 310 megabytes, so maybe 256 megabytes might be a little bit lean for it, but it looks like if you've got 512, you are definitely doing well. Let's see. Okay, so under mount, I can mount hard drives. We've got the virtual one that I've set. Recent documents. Oh, here's all the stuff that I was opening. Recent folders, applications. Yeah, let's go to full. Ooh, styled edit. Okay. So I think this is hello everyone. Okay, so styled edit seems to be your text. Looks like a simple text editor. So let's save as. Let's save this. Can we put it on the desktop? Hello. Can I save it with an exclamation point? And there it is. I wonder if it'll tell me what the file type is. Oh, click and drag to select multiple things. You can move them around. But it doesn't look like... Get info. So let's see. It still doesn't tell me a file type. Not that it's all that important. Let's see. What else do we got? Demos. Cortex. What is Cortex? Wow, I have no idea. Maybe I should have read that user guide. Okay, let's move to something else. Demos. GLT pot? What's that? Ah, okay. So it's just like showing off like 3D rendering. Let's add a teapot. Ooh, didn't like that. Let's add another one. How many teapots can we add? Oh, and I can see that I'm dropping frames as I keep adding teapots. Oh, it's not liking that. Okay. Oh, come on. We need more tea. I'm not gonna worry about that. Oh, bam. Can I move this? Oh, heck yeah, I can. Oh, that's not so happy. Okay, how... I'm not done abusing this. Keep adding teapots. Okay, so actually it's fairly resilient with how many teapots I've thrown in here. Oof. Ain't happy, but... Okay. We've abused that enough. Enough teapots. Okay, what else do we got in here? Demos, font demo. What is Haiku 3D? Whoa, fancy. I mean, I guess that's cool. What else? What other demos? What's Playground? Click and drag to draw an object. Okay. There it is. There's an object. New object. I don't quite get the point of the playground. Submenu. Yeah, I don't quite get that. That's fine. Launchbox. Oh, I've seen this little icon, this red rocket here. Yeah, it was showing it when it was starting up. Oh, this is just like desktop widgets. Projector. No, I don't want it. I don't need that. What's this? Oh, media player. Okay, so I could like listen to music or something in here. Calculator. Funny. Let's see, devices. Pepol. Poor man. Please choose the folder to publish on the web. You can have Poor Man create a public HTML in your home folder. Yeah, but what does it do? What's the purpose of Poor Man? Ooh, disk usage. Let's find out. Okay, so I gave it a 2 GB hard drive. And it looks like it's doing okay here. System var, system packages, boot system. Okay. So, taking a look at that, it looks like this gray area is our free space, and everything in the blue here is stuff that's been used. So that being said, just a base installation of Haiku takes only about a gig. A little bit more, but that's why you can probably run it safely on a 1.5 gig hard drive. So 2 gigs, plenty of space, because I don't know what else I'd be doing with this. Installer. Welcome to the Haiku installer. It's already installed. Okay, yeah. So, it's already installed. I don't need to use the installer. Applications. People. Terminal. Welcome to the Haiku shell. Ooh, okay. Let's try. How about IP config? Okay. So let's see. I know in Linux, if config. Okay. So the BOS terminal. Interesting. So it seems like it's closer to a Linux terminal than like a Windows terminal. Let's see. Well, Linux has been fun, but let's see. Haiku has been fun. But now it is time to go. There we go. I wrote a haiku in Haiku. Haiku has been fun, but now it is time to go. Maybe I'll be back. So anyway, there you go. That's just me playing around in Haiku for a little bit. It seems interesting. There's definitely a purpose for it, but just today I don't think that I have it, a specific use case for it. But I'll keep it in mind going forward. Maybe I'm working on an old laptop and I just need an operating system for it to run. It seems like finding applications for it could be kind of tricky, but it's got all of the essentials built in. It looks like there's a mail client. I could see when I opened up bBook that there's a web browser. I've got a notepad. I've got calculator. So I think it does pretty much everything that you would need out of an operating system, if not all of the stuff that you may want. But anyway, Haiku, it's been a lot of fun. So that's that. I enjoyed it. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.